I knew there was a war between the Russians and the Germans. I knew the Russians were the good guys and the Germans were the bad guys. I knew very little that the United States was helping Russia, but I didn't know much details. I certainly did not know much at all, if anything, about the extermination of the Jews. That's one of my first real sort of decisions that I make on a semi-rational basis. We get back to Poland. My father had a huge family. My mother had a huge family. They're all exterminated except the ones that escaped before, including my father's sister who was in Russia, and another sister and husband who were in Cuba. They survived, of course. But they're all the other brothers. One survived, and he later on committed suicide in the United States. He escaped a firing squad in Warsaw. But I didn't know, I knew nothing of that. But when I come back, I know all these relatives, with one or two exceptions, are dead. Cousins, and I guess I didn't have nephews or nieces, just cousins, aunts, uncles. And I decide, this is a rational decision I make. God, if she exists, I do not want to know her. And that's when I became an agnostic or an atheist, or whatever you want to call it. But that was 8 conscious decisions that I made in Poland after the war. And then we were trying to escape from Poland as quickly as possible.